we're gonna start off with the Give Beauty. This is their Hella On Point Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. I've also been really enjoying the Rem Beauty concealer, and it just blends out beautifully. And if you haven't tried the Got To Be Brow Gel, I definitely recommend you try. I do allow it to get a little bit tacky before I apply, so I just wig the wand a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my face with this Giorgio Armani. This is this Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. I did use Milk Cosmetics Gemini number 2. So I want to add a little bit something, so I'm going to go in with these Danessa Myricks Monarch little flake. I'm going to go in with my Patrick Ta new foundation. It has become a new favorite because it's just so beautiful on the skin. Now that the base is done, I'm going to go in with the Rem Beauty Sweet Cream Concealer. And I just add it in areas where I want to brighten a bit and also conceal like my little veins. Then just melt it into my skin. Now I'm gonna set using the Oma Beauty Trip and Smooth setting powder. I'm just going to apply it on my under eye. As you can see, it instantly blurs. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze now with this House Labs bronzer. Now I'm gonna go in with the About Face. This is their Smash blush. Before I do the lashes, I'm going to go in with the About Face Devil's Diary liner and tight line. The lashes I'm using today are the NYX Jumbo Lash in the style Fringe Glam. Now I'm going to set everything with the Milk Makeup setting spray. I'm going to line my lips using the Catching Feeling by Dose of Colors. So now that I line my lips, I'm going to go in with the Give Beauty. This is Lovable Me. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. Hope you guys like it and enjoy.